Dear viewers, all the videos of this channel are only educational. You are responsible for any abuse and use of these teachers in unethical and illegal ways. And Sub-04HK is not responsible for your misuse of the content provided in this channel. If you do not have enough expertise in the field of network security, penetration testing, and hacking, do not use the provided content. Thanks.
Hello my friend, you are welcome to Sub-04HK channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to stay anonymously once you use Kali Linux for your jobs and projects, and how to can use from Tor servers to hit us IP. Before the start, please subscribe my channel and like it, touch the bell and share video with your friends. And if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Let's go. Okay, as you see, my IPv6 and my IPv4 is detected here, and we watch gonna to use server tools to see what will be happen a little bit later and how to can stay anonymously. So we close here, come here. For the start, you should 100% update and upgrade your repositories. And because I do that before for save the time, I don't need to that again, but you should do it. If you want to access to command lists look like this and have command files, you can join to my Telegram channel and get access very easy to all command text for this video or future videos. So after that we need to install Tor, so which we're gonna do, and sudo and start. Because I installed this before, I choose this. Okay, for me very fast finish these missions. After that, what we're gonna do, we go and check is active or service tool. Let's start. We wait a little bit, insert the root password, and our service is activated. Just enough to status. As you see, our server is active, but we're going for next step. Sudo apt install proxychain. After that, we had to install proxychain. Once we finish this command, we go to nano to make some changes. So what we're gonna do, sudo nano proxychain config. Okay, I forget to add sudo. Okay, first at all, we find to dynamic change, and if there was a hashtag, we should delete hashtag from first of this section, from this one, and we go to next step. What is the next step? We find the extract chain in this here and hashtag add hashtag to first of this line. Come a little bit down and find the random change. Add a hashtag to random change to if random change haven't hashtag. Once you add hashtag to random change, you should come to down of the page. Here in your file doesn't exist SOX5 with this IP address. You should add this IP address under SOX4. Once your job finished down, Control X, Y, Z to save your change. After that, we need to start to restart. So the server is to restart. Okay, our service is restart, and for the test to see these changes activated and properly down and work for us, let's go to check something with together. So we write proxychains Firefox. At this point, our IP must be changed. Let's see. As you see, our IP is changed from the first, and as you see, our IPv6 not detected because we use Tor servers, and each time you run the command here, your IP will change with another one. For example, if I disconnect it here and type that command again, okay. As you see, each time you restart the service or close the session and open another session and write the command, your IP will change on the basis Tor servers. If you like this video and if you want I create another videos like this, please give me a power with your subscribe, with your like, touch the bell, thumbs up, and leave me some comments. And don't forget, share videos with your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you for your watching. Until the next video, bye.